Today we're going to be making this super fun card. This card folds fully flat to go right through regular mail. It is flexible, so it'll go through the mail sorter. No need for added postage stamps. Hi everyone, it's Madi Azar with Spectrum Art Creations for Graphic 45 Brand Ambassador Design Team. But there is something magical about this card. Yes, we are taking a trip down to Wonderland to enjoy a tea party, because when we pull on our tabs, this awesome flat card opens up to reveal a tunnel 3D beautiful scene, and it features Alice, who is now holding a banner to invite us to the tea party. We have, of course, the White Rabbit, who is got our invitation and announcement. And we have the Queen getting a nicely hot, steaming cup of tea served by a giant teapot. So this card not only folds flat for travel and for storage, but of course, as I mentioned, it opens up to reveal a full 3D embellished scene. Here's the other fun part. We've actually done a whole bunch of new improvements on this tunnel card, and I have a full tutorial for you on how to put this together step by step, every measurement, every detail, including supplies and everything that you're going to need. Of course, this wonderful card can also be made in any theme that you may have. Perfect just in time for holidays, be it Christmas, be it Valentine's Day, or maybe with the new spring line coming up with Graphic 45, which I'm actually working on. As you can see here, the flower market on the desk. This would be also a great spring card, but endless themes with all of the beautiful Graphic 45 paper lines that are out there and available. This one also stays upright on your desk to reveal the full viewable scene as it lays flat, so you can put it on a desk. Your loved ones and friends can put it on their cover, they can put it in bookcases, and always be reminded of that beautiful card and scene that you have sent them. And as I mentioned, there are some improvements. So when we make this, and the old one, I'll show you, because I made a few prototypes. This is the original, one of the original ones that I made. And hang on, I'll show you. It is very similar to what we have just seen. However, the biggest difference to this is the way that it has always been made. One of the problems with the 3D tunnel cards is that they will actually shift and they'll come out of the working mechanism, right? So then you would have to thread it back through in order to have it work, right? So, and that would happen either left or right. See, they just slide and then it no longer works. It jams. You have to bring it back. Oh, the whole thing just fell apart. And that was one of the issues, that the old way of doing them was. However, here at Spectrum Art, we have improved it. We have perfected and eliminated that problem. So I will show you this one, which is the one that we're going to be making, and you're going to be playing along and following along the instructions. No longer slides, neither left nor right. It will never come out of the mechanism. So the card will always be ready and in perfect working condition when it is received or gifted. Okay, so I hope you guys will come along and join us making these beauties step by step. I have the full tutorial link down below. It is available at the Graphic 45 YouTube channel. And I hope you will make one. Thank you so much. And be sure to leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you will be making one, if you have made one. And also, what paper line did you use? Because we are definitely in the mood to make some more. And you just might give us the next suggestion for the next paper line to use. You guys have a fun, creative, blessed day. See you all soon. Bye.